What'd the Easter Bunny bring?
No.
You don't know?
Eggs.
Eggs? Bracelets?
No eggs.
Yeah?
My eggs.
Did you find the eggs?
Any eggs.
Yeah. What's inside the eggs?
This is my purple. Purple.
Purple?
This is it, purple. Oh, this is purple.
Yeah. What's inside some of the other ones?
No.
What do you have, Lily?
Candy.
Candy?
Yes. Chocolate.
Chocolate?
No. No. It's all gone.
Oh, it's all gone? Did you?
Santa eat it.
Santa ate it?
No. What's it called?
Easter Bunny.
Chocolate. Eat this. Chocolate.
Oh, look, Andrew has chocolate.
It's from Easter Bunny.
Uh-huh.
Say yay for Easter Bunny.
Yay. You put it in the trash? Okay.
Pepper.
Yeah, what's in some of your other ones, Lily? What's in the pink one?
And candy.
Candy? Okay.
They don't have chocolate.
You don't have chocolate? Okay.
I have chocolate. I have chocolate.
Andrew has chocolate in his. All right. Yay for the Easter Bunny.
It's my handy.
Hey,
Mom, it's my candy.
candy. It's grass.
No, it's my hair.
Oh, it's stuck in the grass. Okay. Okay. All right. See you later.